Hey, this is Joe with a tip on how to reduce your PowerPoint file size for e-learning courses where you're using lots of PowerPoint shapes and graphics, like you can see in the scene I have here. So let's jump into the PowerPoint. And like I said, this one has got a lot of objects, a lot of graphics that really add to the file size. This PowerPoint with just this one slide alone is almost up to 2 megabytes. And if I'm going to be having several slides, that's really going to build up to be a huge file, even if I am using this scene in the background for the master. So what I usually do to really chop down that file size is once I have this scene built with all these objects, I'll save this slide as a JPEG, or you can do a PNG. So I'll go to Save As, and for Save As type, you're going to do JPEG or PNG. In this example, I'll do a JPEG. And then you can name it whatever you'd like. And you want to select current slide only if you're doing just one slide. If you're doing the whole PowerPoint, then you do every slide. So now I've got it saved as my JPEG. I can go ahead and delete all this off because I'm not going to use this once I use it in the background. Here's a warning though, you probably do want to save this. I have this scene saved in a different PowerPoint, but if you need to make any edits or anything, you want to move say you want to move the computer over here later, then you're going to want to save it save it with the object still in there. But for this example, I'll go ahead and delete everything off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my slide master now and add my new JPEG in as the background. So I'll go, here I am in the slide master. So I'll go ahead and insert it as a picture. And there you have it. It looks just like it was, but now that it's a JPEG, we've really cut down on the file size. So let's go take a look and see how that looks. You can see it looks the same. I don't have all the extra stuff on the side, so it gives me a little bit of a cleaner look. I can't edit it anymore, but if you want to create different scenes, that's why you want to create the original keep that original PowerPoint slide. So before it was at about 1.9 megabytes. Let's save this and see what it comes down to now. Okay, and as you can see right down here, it's come down from 1.9 megabytes to 137 kilobytes, which is a dramatic difference. So that's my quick tip just to reduce your file size pretty dramatically, is to not use those PowerPoint shapes and objects as the background. Simply use that to create the scene, then save that as a JPEG and delete all that out, and you'll really drop down on your file size. I hope this helps somebody else out there, and let me know if you have any questions.